So our last two examples are really important because there's some common mistakes that happen with these. Since we're rounding, we're going to need to think about our rounding step. Let's start with this one, so write this on your paper, and I want you to pause the video and give it a shot. Remember to use your rounding steps. So step 1 says underline the target. Well, the target this time is going to be the thousands place. Notice there is no TH on this. So when I'm looking at place value, I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is actually what we need to underline. This one right here at the 8. Step 2, look to the right and circle it. Step 3, look at the circled number, and if it's between 0 and 4, so let's see, the circled number is a 3. So yeah, it is between 0 and 4. We're going to keep the target the same. And the target was the 8, so we bring it straight down. Everything to the left comes down, so that means the 5 comes down also. Now this is where the mistake sometimes happens. So normally we don't bring the stuff to the right down, but because there's a decimal, we do need to bring that decimal down. So it comes straight down, but then you have this big gap here. Well, if there's a gap between numbers and a decimal, we need to fill them in with zeros. So this time we are going to bring zeros down for all of these. And we could bring a 0 down for the 6, but it's not necessary. Now let's take a look at this example. So copy this on your paper, pause the video, and try it on your own. Step 1 said underline the target place value. Well, this time that was the tenths place. So here's my tenths. Step 2, look to the right and circle it. Step 3, look at the circled number. If it's 0 to 4, and it's not, it's a 9. If it's 0 to 5, oh, okay, it goes over here. Then add 1 to the target. So here we are going to add 1 to the target. Well, 1 plus 9 is 10, but I can't write it like that. That wouldn't be right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 0 here and carry the 1 to the next place. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. My decimal needs to come down. There's nothing left on the left side to bring down. And remember, the stuff on the right side of the target, you just leave behind. So that's our answer. But if you want to, you could put zeros here.